An extensive property can be defined as a property of matter that changes as the amount of matter changes. It can be observed and measured without a chemical change occurring. Also, as more matter is added, both mass and volume change. An example of this is shown through a campfire, before adding hay and after adding hay. So, the smoke rises up to the yellow line here without the hay bale. But adding the hay bale will cause the smoke to rise higher than before, all the way up to the green line.
An intensive property is an amount of matter that size and mass does not affect the chemical properties of matter. For example, iron and condensed iron, although different shapes, sizes, and masses, keep the same chemical properties.
A chemical property can be defined as properties of matter that may only be observed and measured when a chemical reaction happens. It can't be observed or measured by just viewing or touching. We can only measure the force of the detonation of the TNT after the chemical reaction via heat conduction sets off the TNT.
Physical properties are the properties of matter that can be seen visually without any chemical change happening. Any block in Minecraft could be used to show this for some examples: stone, wood, and gold.
Chemical change can be defined as a type of change where the size and shape of matter may be altered and is usually reversible. This can be shown through an ice block melting after placing a fire next to it.
A chemical change is an altercation where one substance is changed into another substance. An example of this that can be found in Minecraft is the wood being burned into charcoal.
A solid can be defined as a piece of matter in which its particles are closely packed. It is characterized by structural rigidity and a resistance to changes of shape or volume. For example, stone and iron are both solids, but the stone is much easier to break than the iron.
Gas can be defined as a low-density matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume, just like the smoke from this campfire in Minecraft.
Liquid can be defined as a piece of matter that has a definite volume and the particles in it are free to flow. For example, when water is encased, it doesn't have anywhere to flow, but when it has the ability to move, it will move.